Good day, now home. I'm your host, Will Cloud, and welcome back to Villainmobile, the Villainmobile. Now this time, I'm gonna show you a little small trick how you can make your boring looking interior all nice and new. Not new, but nicer. With this, see this blue strip here. This is this kind of material I ordered. You can order many colors, but not the one I wanted. So the next color what goes for the BMW is blue or red, as I don't want red for now. I'll order this light blue. And this is basically a strip that has an inline fitting in there. Let's see if I can focus. See, this is V-shaped. You put this in the groove, you twist it and turn it around, and then at the end you cut it with the scissors, a knife, or a Stanley blade. I have Stanley blade, so let me show you. This vent I will cut here, go around here and cut here. So let me show you. With one hand it will be pretty difficult, so I'll show you how I can. Basically you just put this groove inside and squeeze it in. You will feel once it's squeezed in. Now you just push it in with your finger, make sure it's pushed in maximally, then you go around and just push it in fully. You are getting a tool with this set. You're getting a tool. Let me show you. This is the tool you'll get, so you can just squeeze it in there or something, but I didn't have to use this tool, so it's bye-bye. This turn you can just curve it in and just squeeze it all in. Put some slack on this so it's not pulling itself up. If you will put it too tight, this will just come up all the time. So basically that's how it goes. Let me take my other camera and put it on here so you can see what I'm doing. Because this way I have only one hand and I can't normally put this around and cut it. So basically this is how it looks once you're done. I know the camera died. I know it died. You see me only this far. I just cut a slot in here like triangle and folded this in. So it goes basically like this, and look. I will do that one and maybe some extras here, and let's see how it looks. And then I'll show you the result. Now there you go, people. I spent around 1 hour because it's shit. It's actually shit. Look, looks good. Like this, it looks good. You look at it and you see, oh, that looks very nice, very beautiful. But it doesn't. It's not, how to say, sticky. You just force it in the grooves. And if it goes in the grooves, it goes. If it doesn't go, you just have to say, have fucking fun. Look, if you want to make strips and you have gaps, like normal gaps, like here the ventilation had normal gaps, so I can make it. This is neat. That's shit. This is completely shit. Look, I can hit it once or twice and this will just fly off. That one is okay, but it's not perfect. But it actually looks better than it looked before. Now you don't like this, it's okay, you don't like it, I understand. But for me, just to change of the pace of the look, it's alright. If I get bored of this, I can just strip it all off and just chuck it in the bin. Just trash it all out. But for now, if you liked this video, of course smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome videos, share the videos like so that people can see them too. And I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye!